land was fertile, and it is covered by large population, and the agriculture is the main occupation. And which are the states that is going to be covered by the northern plains? That is Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and even some parts of West Bengal and Assam. So I repeat, which are the states that is covered by northern plains are, the first one is Punjab, second one is Haryana, third one is Uttar Pradesh, fourth one is Bihar, and some also the parts of West Bengal and Assam states. So children, now will study about different states features. That is Punjab, Haryana, and the Delhi. These are the what these three states tells about, and what are the festivals, what are the crops they have grown, and what is it famous for. Now coming to the Punjab. As I said, the northern plains are fertile and it is suitable for the agriculture. Basically the farmers of the Punjab who are in the Punjab state, they mostly grow which are the crops they grow? Wheat, rice, sugarcane, maize and barley. These are the important crops which we will be seen in the Punjab state. And the farmers use the agriculture. Before they used to use old method of agriculture, but now due to the technology and scientific method, the farmers work has been reduced because they are using modern machines like tractors, harvesters for the agriculture, and they are fond of snacks or the food like makki ki roti, sarson ka saag and lassi. Lassi, I think you people may have heard and familiar about that. I repeat, they are very interested and they are fond of makki ki roti, sarson ka saag and lassi. These are the food which they have usually in the Punjab state. And coming to the festival, like how we celebrate Dasara, Deepavali and Varalakshmi festival, likewise in the Punjab state also there is a famous festivals which are celebrated like Gurpurab, Baisakhi and Lori. I think Lori people might heard the word. So Gurpurab, Baisakhi and Lori are the main festivals which is celebrated by the state of Punjab people. Now we'll move on to the next state, that is Haryana. Here the farming, cattle rearing and dairy farming. These are the main occupation in state of Haryana. Cattle rearing is nothing but ಪಶು ಸಾಕಾಣಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹಾಲು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪಶುಸಂಗೋಪನೆ. These are the main occupation of Haryana. That is domestication of animals, and cattle rearing, farming, that is agriculture, dairy farming. These are the occupations in Haryana. And the crops, coming to the crops, in Punjab they were growing wheat, rice, sugar cane, maize and barley. But in Haryana they are also growing along with this wheat, rice, oil seeds. Oil seeds, from these oil seeds will extract the oil for cooking as well as the other purpose, like it may be hair oil or the cooking oil. And the pulses, barley, millets, maize, cotton and sugarcane. These are the crops which are mostly grown in the Haryana state. Now coming to the last topic of today's is the government of NCT of Delhi, about the Delhi region. Most of the people in Delhi, they go for the work, they do work in the offices, or they will have their own businesses. They do their own business of their own. And Delhi is famous for the street food. In Bangalore, how we have snacks corner or the street food corner, in the same way in Delhi also we have street food which is famous in Delhi. And the people of Delhi celebrate like us, like other people in the different states. We celebrate different, because as India is a unity in diversity, we have different states represent different festivals, culture, religion, is it? So in the same way, Delhi is also famous for the major Indian festivals. And we do have historical monuments, like as Delhi is famous for street food and for the festivals, it also has got some historical monuments, historical buildings like Qutub Minar, Red Fort, India Gate. I repeat, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, India Gate. These are the historical monuments. Other than we do have several other monuments, but popular one is Qutub Minar, Red Fort, India Gate. So children, in today's class we learned or we discussed about Brahmaputra river basin, where it is located. It is located in the easternmost part of northern plains, and it originates from the Tibet called Sangpo place, and it flows through Assam before entering into the Bangladesh. And when we consider when we saw the life of northern plains, the northern plains are very fertile and it is thickly populated, and agriculture is the main occupation. And the state that lies, or it is the region which are covered by the northern plains, are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and other parts of West Bengal and Assam states. And Punjab, Haryana, and Delhi has got its own popularities due to their, it may be a food or festival or the crops which they are growing. In these three states they have different types of crops are grown, different religious, different culture, and different tourist places as well. So children, thank you, and please complete the worksheet as of today, and be safe and be healthy. Thank you.